posted a video on how to cook Taiwanese braised pork knuckles many years ago. After all these years, I decided to update this recipe with more precise measurements and improvements. So here is version 2.0 of my Taiwanese braised pork knuckles and pork belly. I'm cooking about 2 kg of pork today, so I'll start off by peeling 2 bulbs of garlic. The garlic will melt into your sauce, giving it extra flavor and aroma. Soak some dried octopus and dried chili. Put the pork knuckles in the stock pot and fill it up with cold water. Smash a knob of ginger and bring the pork knuckles to boil. Meanwhile, scald the pork belly with hot water separately. As the pork knuckles boil, all the impurities in the bone come to the top. Take all your pork knuckles out and wash under cold tap water to clean it. Rinse the pork belly as well. Put all the meat into a clean pot and add the garlic, dried octopus, and dried chilies. Add 1 liter of water to 180 ml of soy sauce, approximate ratio of 5:1. My Taiwanese friend who taught me how to cook this only uses this brand of soy sauce because it is not too salty, yet has a strong aroma of naturally brewed soy. Cover and bring to boil. Prepare a bunch of spring onions and half a cup of cola. The cola tenderizes the pork skin, making it soft and gelatin-like. When the liquid boils, add in spring onion, cola, and some rock sugar. Rock sugar helps to thicken the sauce and balance the saltiness. Braise on low heat for 1.5 to 2 hours. Pork belly softens faster than pork knuckles, so you can take it out of the pot half an hour earlier. See how the skin is slightly translucent from the cola? Check on the knuckles. When the sauce has thickened, it is ready. If you like to explore more new ideas in cooking, please subscribe to Sooks TV.